Are you ready to unlock the full potential of the keto diet? We're diving deep into the top 5 supplements that can transform your keto journey. We're talking about optimizing your energy levels, sharpening your mental focus, and feeling your absolute best while conquering those keto cravings. From banishing the keto flu to maximizing your results, these supplements are game changers. Stick around as we break down each one, revealing exactly why they're essential and how to incorporate them effectively. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the foundation of a successful keto journey: electrolytes. We're talking about sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These aren't just fancy science words, they're your secret weapons against the dreaded keto flu. See, when you slash carbs on keto, your body sheds water like it's going out of style, and along with it goes those crucial electrolytes. This can lead to fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps. You know the drill, the keto flu is no joke. But here's the thing, supplementing with electrolytes can make all the difference. Think of it like this. Electrolytes are like the spark plugs of your cells, helping your muscles contract, your nerves fire properly, and your energy levels stay up. They're essential for everyone, but especially crucial on keto when your body is adapting to burning fat for fuel. Now you're probably thinking, can't I just get electrolytes from food? And while it's true that foods like avocados, spinach, and almonds contain electrolytes, it's tough to hit those optimal levels through diet alone, especially in the initial stages of keto. That's where a good quality electrolyte supplement comes in. Look for a supplement that provides a balanced blend of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. And don't be afraid of sodium. The keto diet often requires a higher sodium intake than you might think, especially when you're first starting out. Personally, I like to start my day with a big glass of water with a pinch of Himalayan salt and a squeeze of lemon. It's a refreshing way to replenish those electrolytes first thing in the morning. You can also find electrolyte powders or capsules that you can easily add to your water or take throughout the day. Remember, staying properly hydrated and replenishing those electrolytes is key to feeling your best and conquering keto like a champ. Let's talk about MCT oil, the secret weapon for unlocking next-level energy and focus on keto. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides, a type of fat that's rapidly absorbed and converted into ketones by your liver. Think of ketones as high-octane fuel for your brain and muscles, providing a clean and sustained source of energy. Now, you might be wondering, what makes MCT oil so special? Well, unlike long-chain triglycerides, LCTs, found in most dietary fats, MCTs bypass the typical digestive process and go straight to your liver, where they're converted into ketones. This means quicker energy, improved cognitive function, and even a boost in your metabolism. Incorporating MCT oil into your keto routine is super easy. You can add it to your morning coffee for a creamy, keto-friendly energy boost. It blends seamlessly into smoothies and shakes, or you can even drizzle it over salads or veggies. When choosing an MCT oil supplement, opt for one that's derived from 100% pure coconut oil or palm kernel oil. These sources are naturally rich in caprylic acid and capric acid, the two most ketogenic MCTs. Remember, start with a small dose of MCT oil, around a teaspoon or two, and gradually increase your intake as tolerated. Some people experience digestive discomfort if they consume too much MCT oil too quickly, so it's always best to listen to your body. With its ability to fuel ketosis, enhance mental clarity, and even support fat loss, MCT oil is a game changer for anyone looking to take their keto journey to the next level. Omega-3 fatty acids, the keto anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the unsung heroes of the keto diet and a cornerstone of overall health. These essential fats play a vital role in reducing inflammation, supporting heart health, and even boosting brain function. And the best part? They work synergistically with the keto diet to optimize your results. Now you might be thinking, I already eat plenty of healthy fats on keto, so why do I need omega-3s? Well, while it's true that the keto diet emphasizes healthy fats, not all fats are created equal. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, are notoriously lacking in the modern diet. Here's the thing. Chronic inflammation is like a silent saboteur in your body, contributing to a whole host of health issues from heart disease to joint pain. Omega-3s act like firefighters, effectively quenching that inflammation and promoting overall well-being, but the benefits of omega-3s don't stop there. They're also crucial for maintaining optimal brain function, improving mood, and even supporting healthy cholesterol levels. And when it comes to the keto diet, omega-3s can help enhance fat burning and improve insulin sensitivity. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough of these essential fats? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of EPA and DHA. But let's be real, not everyone's a fan of fish, and that's where a high-quality omega-3 supplement comes in. Look for a supplement that provides both EPA and DHA, ideally sourced from fish oil or krill oil. These forms are more easily absorbed by your body compared to plant-based sources like flaxseed or chia seeds. Remember, incorporating omega-3s into your keto routine is like giving your body an internal tune-up, reducing inflammation, optimizing brain function, and supporting your overall health journey. Exogenous ketones, your keto shortcut. Let's dive into the world of exogenous ketones, a powerful tool that can supercharge your keto journey. Now, if you're new to the keto game, you might be wondering, what in the world are exogenous ketones? Well, let's break it down. Exogenous simply means coming from outside the body, and ketones, as we discussed earlier, are those energy molecules your body produces when it's running on fat for fuel. So, exogenous ketones are essentially a synthetic way to increase your ketone levels without having to go through the process of strict carb restriction. Think of it like this. Exogenous ketones are like giving your body a direct shot of ketones, allowing you to experience the benefits of ketosis even if you're not perfectly keto adapted. This can be especially helpful for people who are new to keto or those who struggle with carb cravings. Now, there are two main types of exogenous ketones, ketone salts and ketone esters. Ketone salts are the most common and affordable type, typically bound to minerals like sodium, potassium, or calcium. Ketone esters, on the other hand, are a more potent and expensive form of exogenous ketones, often used by athletes for performance enhancement. So, what are the benefits of using exogenous ketones? Well, for starters, they can help you transition into ketosis more quickly and smoothly, minimizing those pesky keto flu symptoms. They can also provide a quick energy boost, enhance mental clarity, and even suppress appetite. Incorporating exogenous ketones into your keto routine is as simple as mixing a scoop of powder into water or taking a capsule. However, it's important to note that exogenous ketones are not a magic bullet. They work best when used in conjunction with a healthy ketogenic diet. Remember, exogenous ketones can be a valuable tool for boosting your keto results, but they're not a substitute for a well-formulated ketogenic lifestyle. Vitamin D, the keto sunshine vitamin. Let's shed some light on vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, and why it's absolutely crucial on a ketogenic diet. Now you might be thinking, what does vitamin D have to do with keto? Well, the connection runs deeper than you might think. First off, vitamin D isn't your average vitamin. It actually acts more like a hormone in the body, regulating over 200 different genes, including those involved in bone health, immune function, and even mood regulation. And here's the kicker. Many people, especially those following a keto diet, are deficient in this vital nutrient. See, vitamin D is primarily produced by your skin when it's exposed to sunlight. However, factors like geographical location, time of year, and even sunscreen use can significantly impact your body's ability to produce enough vitamin D. Now, here's where the keto connection comes in. When you're on a ketogenic diet, your body becomes incredibly efficient at utilizing fat for fuel. However, vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning it requires fat to be properly absorbed and utilized by the body. So, if you're not consuming enough healthy fats or if your vitamin D levels are already low, you might not be reaping the full benefits of this essential nutrient. So, what can you do to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D on keto? First and foremost, try to get some regular sun exposure, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes a day. Of course, always practice sun safety and avoid getting burned. In addition to sunlight, incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your keto diet can also help. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel are good sources, as are egg yolks and mushrooms. However, it can be challenging to meet your daily vitamin D needs through diet alone, especially if you live in a place with limited sunlight. That's where a high-quality vitamin D supplement comes in. Look for a supplement that provides vitamin D3, also known as cholecalciferol, as it's the most bioavailable form for your body. Remember, optimizing your vitamin D levels is essential for overall health and well-being, especially when you're on a ketogenic diet. So, soak up some sun, enjoy those vitamin D-rich foods, and consider adding a supplement to your routine to ensure you're meeting your needs. So there you have it, the top 5 essential supplements to supercharge your keto journey. Remember, these supplements are here to support your journey, not replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. Which of these supplements have you tried? Or do you have a favorite keto supplement that's been a game changer for you? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more keto tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, stay healthy and keep crushing those keto goals.